guess why? Because this tree is a very good fire starter. It's used to start a fire. Why I say that? Because so this tree, whenever, even if this tree is soaked in the water, wet or rain, you can still ignite a fire from it. Because whenever you get soaked in the water or wet, it's only the outer part. The inside will keep dry. Keep dry. And you can keep this wood. This one we call habuk dust. You can use it as a fire starter. Okay?
So many ants.
Yeah, so many ants. This one also can use as a fire starter.
You can take this.
This is called dust.
Take.
Muding dust. Yeah. But be careful. This tree has a fruit. And its fruit is really itchy. Okay? So if this tree has a fruit, stay away from it. Because the fruit is really itchy. When it touch your skin, it's gonna be really itchy. Okay? And now it's safe because you got no fruit. So no need to worry. But if the tree's got a fruit, you need to stay away from it. But if the fruit touch your skin, it's gonna be very itchy. Okay, good.
Any place also.
Hmm?
Any place also.
Yeah. But it's not too itchy actually. during my childhood time, we take the fruit, throw away at my house. It's very itchy.